good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Back at Me. I have this 2019 Chevy Colorado LT 3.6 V6. I'm gonna show you how to replace these washer nozzles. Alright, so stay tuned. Come on, let's get it. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Love you. Pause. Yeah. First we're gonna pop these plastics. How you do that? Come through with a black pick. Go to the side. Pop it. Alright. Then we're gonna need a 15 millimeter for those nuts. Pause. We're gonna remove both wipers. You need to get one of this. This is really good for battery terminals and wiper blades. This is easy to use. Can't get lost. You can get one in Amazon. Then we're gonna remove those clips. Like so. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 clips. These things pop off. Just like that. Do the same on the other side. Now the cowl come off. And there you go. There are the nozzles. Be careful because the holes that connect to the nozzles are attached to the cowl. Going through over here, these are the guys. It's broken, as you can see. With this, just squeeze it. Pulse. Or you can break those because you're not going to use it anymore. So, part number for the nozzles: GM 229444961. Alright, all you gotta do now is grab the nozzle, install it like so. Once you tap it, that's it. Then connect it. And that's it. Do the same on the other side. Now when you put the cowl back, it has like a teeth. You gotta go under the windshield. Alright. A lot of people are gonna be like, oh, how do I put my wiper? It's not a line. You see this line? That's where you're gonna put your wiper. Right there. And then you just push it in there. Do the same on the other side. Alright, put the wipers, put the cover back. Do the same on the other side. I'm gonna close the hood and test the wipers nozzles. Start the car. Let's see. There you go. Done. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. And anything you want to say about this pickup truck 2019 Chevy, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this baby. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Love you. Thank you for your support. See me in the next one. Estuvo, kaboom. Alright.